How are you all? I trust you are all doing well. Before we start today's lesson, I want us to exercise our body small. So all of you are up. Are you all up? Yeah, that's great. Now, your waist. Good. Then attention. Good. Make sure your both legs are close. Great. Then are we ready to go? Yes, we are ready to go. La la la, la la la, la la la. Great. Now let's do one more. Are we ready to go? We are ready to go. La la la, la la la, la la la. Great. Can we do one thing by jumping? Yes. One more. Yes. Jump high. Yes. That's great. Now, as you know, my name is Ahmad Mukhtar. You can call me Big Shara, or some call Uncle Big Shara. Whichever way it goes. Today we are going to have a very, very interesting lesson. I hope you will enjoy the lesson. By the time we finish this lesson, you will know why you eat food. You will know why we have light to watch TV. You will know why our parents, they use cars and the cars move, and many others. And the topic for the lesson is energy. Energy. Have you wondered why some could run very fast, others cannot run? Some they can weed, clear bushes, some they can play football, and you yourself, the girls, you can play ampe, the boys, you play football, and you also run, you jump around. You do all these activities because of what we call energy. If you don't have the energy in you, you cannot do all these things. You remember some of you, your parents are farmers. They go to farm and they weed, they clear the bush because of the energy. Some of you, your parents, they do work at home because of the energy. So which means the energy, if you are able to do something, is because of the energy. You run because of the energy, you play football because of the energy, you play ampe because of the energy, and many others. So which means the energy is the ability to do work. Ability to do work. That is the meaning of energy. If you are doing something, it's because of the energy. You see the fans in class operating because of the energy. You see the lights on because of energy. You see the cars move because of the energy. Yes, one of you, when I was coming, I met you on the way, and your dad put you on a motorbike moving to school is because of the energy. So the ability to do work is what we call energy. Let's ask ourselves, where do we get the energy from? So we say sources of energy. Where do we get them from? Sources of energy. Sources of energy, which means where we get the energy from. Now, why do you eat? Food. Food is one of the sources of energy. And you know the types of food we have. This morning, after or during break, I saw some of you eating wache, some of you eating banku, some of you eating cake, and some of you taking fruit, and I even saw some of you taking fruit juice. Is because of the energy you want from the food. That's why you were taking all this food. So food is a source of energy. You know this is the food we have. You know plantain. If you take plantain, you get energy. You know pawpaw, very, very delicious one. It's very sweet. You know maize. If you use maize, you can get kenke, banku, TZ, my favorite. You get energy. Cassava, wow, you get fufu. Some will say sokolo. You have yam, tomato. All these one, they are sources of energy from food. Another one, you know that your father do ask you to go and charge his phone or your mother her phone. Why? Because when the battery runs down, the phone can no longer work. So you have to charge the battery. Battery is also a source of energy to enable the phone to work. You have flashlight, you have torchlight, we have so many other things, radio that we use the battery. So if you don't have the battery, then those items cannot work. So this is an example of a phone battery. This is an example. So this particular one is a source of energy for phones that we use. Battery is another one. Battery. Good. We have another source of energy we call electricity. Electricity. We watch TV, we listen to radio, and many others. Where do we get the energy for the TV to operate? It's because of the electricity. Electricity is a source of energy. We have another one we call gas or firewood. Firewood. The gas or firewood. Our parents use gas to prepare food. They use firewood to prepare food. Gas and firewood, they are also sources of energy for our parents, our mothers, our sisters, our aunties to use to prepare food for us to eat. It's a source of energy. Another one, very, very important, we call it petroleum products. Petroleum products. Have you wondered why whenever your father wants to move a car and there is no petrol, your father cannot move the car? Whenever they want to use the motorbike, no petrol, they cannot use the motorbike because there is no petrol in it. So petrol, diesel, they are sources of energy for the machines that we use. I hope you are all clear about all this. I repeat, take note. Energy, ability to do work. And where do we get the energy? Sources of energy. We get energy from food, we get energy from battery, we get energy from electricity, we get energy from gas, firewood, and we also get energy from petroleum product. Example, petrol, and diesel. These are the sources of energy. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much. I'll give you assignment. Try as much as possible and do the assignment. And next time we meet, we'll have another wonderful and interesting topic. Have a wonderful day. I salute you all.